Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Get these plate light bulbs, there's 2 of them. I'm going to remove them in the same manner. So I'm going to push them to the inside and lift up at the same time with your fingers and kind of guide them out of the tailgate. So what you're doing, there's a spring clip here and a little locking clip here. So you're pushing against the spring clip and you're lifting it up and then bring it out. The socket, you can actually unplug them by pushing the lock. Take them right off. The socket is right here. Just turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. It's a little 194 peanut bulb. Take it out, slide it back in, replace it, put it right back into this housing, line up the little things, turn it clockwise, it'll lock into place. Plug it back in. I mean, you can do this without even unplugging it. You're going to guide it back into the tailgate. You'll hook this outside first. Push down in there and then push it in. It'll snap into place. And that'll be the same for this side too.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.